Namaste everyone, my name is Radhika. Welcome to Satvic Yoga. Today we will practice a 15-minute flow for our core, for our abs. So this is the seat of our Manipura Chakra, and this energy center is responsible for things like activity, dynamism, for our ability to work, our self-confidence. So if you catch yourself procrastinating, feeling dull, or if you just want a flat stomach and a strong core, this flow can help you immensely. So let's begin by a short warm-up. We'll do a little bit of jogging on the mat. Come on, start. I'm doing it slowly because I have to speak, but you can do it a little faster, please. Forward jogging. Take your legs back, high up. Normal jogging. Keep your energy levels high, lot of excitement. Raise your legs in front of you, raise the thighs high. Backward jogging. Normal jogging. Let's take 10 jumping jacks. Come on, do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. So we will step to the top of the mat. Our feet will be together. And we'll take chair pose, Utkatasana. And we'll do chair pose sit-ups. So, with the inhale, we'll go back. The knees should not cross the toes. And we'll come up. So we'll do this 10 times, friends. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going. Engage your core, pull in your stomach. Last one. Now hold. Bring your hands together and look towards the hands. Hold 3 breaths. And release. Well done. Next asana, we'll do punishment pose. So when I was a kid growing up, this punishment pose was given in schools. It was quite popular. So it's called Dand Asana, Dand, punishment. So for this, we'll open the feet hip width apart. Toes will be spread. We will cross our left hand over the chest and grab the earlobe with the thumb facing outwards. So thumb will be on the front of the lobe and your index finger will be behind. And then the right hand will come on top. Again, your thumb will be on top. Here we will touch our tongue to the top of the palate. And you can close the mouth. And then we will do sit-ups. So we'll do 10 again. Engage the core. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Keep going. This is also called super brain yoga. So it activates both the hemispheres of the brain and helps them talk to each other. Last one. Hold. And release. Well done. We'll now come into Falak Asan, plank pose. It's also called Kumbhak Asan. Now here, please make sure that you're not rounding the spine. Your back has to be elongated, stomach has to be pulled in, navel has to be sucked in. Now we'll take the right knee to the right elbow and then back, and then left knee to left elbow. 5 on each side. Come on. Last one. And release. You can take a rest in Vajrasan. Knees are together. You're sitting on your heels. Breathe. Very nice. Now we'll come into Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. So spread your hands wide apart and make an inverted V shape with the body. Keep pushing your hips up. Now if your heels don't come on the mat here, it's okay, don't worry. Slowly they'll open. But try and not do this. See. Push back from the hands and raise the hips up. You'll feel a stretch here in your hamstrings. Now here we'll extend the right leg behind us in three-legged dog, and with the exhale we'll bring the knee in and we'll straighten the spine. Come on, extend, bring your knee in, inhale, extend, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one. Inhale, exhale. Very nice. Go back to down dog. Let's take it to the other side. Come on, you can do this. We're already halfway through. Inhale, the left leg up. Exhale, bring the knee in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going. Last one. And come back to plank, knees on the mat, and take a rest in Adho Mukha Virasana. So knees open, mat distance apart. Take your arms in front, forehead comes to the mat. 5 deep breaths. Observe how your lungs are very open here. Your chest is open, so you can inhale very deeply. So please make good use of this opportunity. Oxygenate your body really well. Very good. Come up. We'll take boat pose, Navasan. So again, just see. We'll pull the stomach in. Spine has to be straight. If you have back injuries, then avoid this pose. So we'll extend the arms right next to the legs. Knees can be bent. Please come into this pose. You have to engage your core. Matlab navel you'll have to pull in. And then we'll extend the right leg and bring it back. And then extend the left and bring it back. Come on. Keep a smile on your face. No stress. Very good. Now extend both the legs. Straighten the knees if possible. Hold. And release. Come into seated and take a twist. So let your left hand come on your right knee. Right arm goes back. Twist from the navel. Breathe. Twist to the other side. Release and lie down on your back. We'll do Pada Panchalas. So bring your knees up, hands behind your head. So it's cycling. In Sanskrit, it's called Pada Panchalas. Alright, we'll lift our head and shoulders. We'll suck our stomach in and then we'll do cycling. Your back should be very firmly planted on the mat. No arch. Come on, you don't need to do it very fast. Do it with control. We teach many such asanas, philosophy, pranayam, meditation in our 21-day yoga workshop. So if you're interested to go deeper into this science, you can find the link in the description below. All right, hug your knees in, take Pavan Muktasan. Release the head, release the legs, and we'll extend the legs right above us. Now ensure that the back is on the mat. If required, you can place your hands slightly under your back and hips for support. Now, your stomach will be pulled in here. First, the legs are extended right above us in 90 degrees. Then we'll take them down to about 60 degrees. Then we'll take them down further to about 45. Keep pulling in your stomach, feel the burn. Take it down further to about 20 degrees. And then release. Well done. We'll do the same thing in the reverse direction now from top to bottom. Come on, take a deep breath in, pull in your core. "20 degrees. "45. 60. And 90. Very good. Now we'll do tiny hip raises. So here you want to feel the pressure in your lower abs. So the movement has to be very small, like this, just a tiny lift. Come on. Pulse, 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 pulse. Last exercise. Come on, give it your all. Well done. Release your legs. Take a full body stretch. Let your arms be pulled up. Imagine someone is pulling your legs from the bottom. Stretch. Very nice. Lie down in Shavasana. We will stay in Shavasana for at least 5 minutes. So you can stop the video and stay in Shavasana. It's very important to come back to balance. So please don't suddenly get up and go about your day. When you have to come out, you have to roll over to your right side gently, and then you have to come out. I leave you here to rest. Thank you for joining us.